The old landline phone was one of the first major inventions for communication. People used it to talk over long distances using cables and telephone lines. The first telephone was created by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. These phones were placed in homes or offices and couldn't be moved around. They helped people stay connected before cell phones existed. Today, landlines are rare, but some businesses and rural areas still use them. Landline phones don't use batteries or rare materials like smartphones, so they have less environmental impact. However, making them still involve plastic and copper wiring. One fun fact, early phones didn't have dials. People had to ask an operator to connect them. Most landlines were included in home phone plans or cost under $100. While not used much today, they started the world of voice communication.
Who invented the first telephone? Thomas Edison, Nikola Tesla, Alexander Graham Bell. What was the main purpose of the old landline phone? To send emails, to play music, to talk over long distances. Where were landline phones usually placed? In cars, in homes or offices, in parks. Why are landlines rare today? Cell phones replaced them. They are too expensive. They don't work anymore. What made landlines better for the environment than smartphones? They were solar-powered. They didn't use batteries or rare materials. They recycled themselves. How were early landline calls connected? By asking an operator, by pressing numbers, by touching the screen. What was the typical cost of most landline phones? Over $500, under $100. Free with internet. What did landline phones help start? Social media communication, video conferencing, voice communication. I hope you liked the video. Want to study more? Grab the text and PDF here, and you can also visit my website for more English activities. See you!